I just left the city of Mbarara. I had a very surreal night, but at the end it was okay. It was a cheap place, it was a free place, and it was safe. This dirt road is taking me to a national park. It should be free to enter, otherwise I have to go back. And somehow they say it's dangerous because there are some buffaloes. I don't know what's the danger with the buffalo, but a few people mentioned that they can be dangerous. Maybe it's not the same buffalo that we use in Italy to make buffalo mozzarella, I guess. Hello. And yeah, anyway, it's I think I will enter the park around midday, and that's the time when the wildlife activity is at its minimum, even though it's overcast today and it's not that warm, but should be fun and safe, hopefully. Let's see. Me waiting, guys. No, this is boring. We're all waiting. The horns are very big. Hello. How you doing? I'm so glad it's not raining today. Hello. Bananas. Let's see if I can do this. Up the street. Go back, you fucking cow. Look at those things. Look. Oops. That's a bit big. Let's go back here. Ah, cows. I think I made it to the entrance of the park. I'm here with the ranger in charge. What's your name?
I'm Myers.
So you're advising me not to go on this road because this is where the buffaloes that are wounded and they've been chased away from their pack. They're gonna stay, and they are dangerous because they're very aggressive.
Yes. And, suppose if you have like a car, I can allow you to take that direction, but now you're having a bicycle. I can't allow you to take that route because you might meet a challenge in front there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the buffaloes are wounded and they're very aggressive. But if I go back on the main entrance, that's the area where the normal buffalo are, and the normal buffaloes are not dangerous.
Yeah, even this side we have normal buffaloes. But you, after reaching it there in front, because I can't tell you that right now, after going the other side, you meet buffalo that is wounded, or you will meet a hippo that is wounded that can make a harm to you. There, I can't. I would advise you to take the other route. Then, after reaching to the main, there at the main gate, then they will explain more about that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's try not to get in danger and not to create troubles to the park rangers, and so I will just backtrack another 1 hour or 2 hours, get to the main gate, and then cross the park in a safe area. Yeah.
Yes.
That's your advice.
Yeah, that is the advice that I can give you.
Yes.
Because after getting the problem, we'll also lose the market for tourists that will come to visit us.
Yes.
Yeah.
You don't want people getting in trouble.
Yeah, we don't need anybody to get a problem within our park, because Lake Mburo is known as the national park that is the best.
In Uganda.
Yeah, in Uganda, because we have many animals that tourists come to have a look at it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will take your advice. Thank you very much for taking time to explain me why this road is not safe, and I'll go back, go to the main road,
Yes.
and from there safely ride through the park.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I hate backtracking. So now it's a 37 kilometers loop that I have to do. And it's already getting late because it's almost 1:30 in the afternoon. And I thought I had about 30-35 kilometers to cross the park, get to the other side before the sunset. But now I have to do 37 kilometers to get to the main entrance, and then I have another 20-25 kilometers of park, and I don't know if I have enough time, because I don't know how hilly it is, if it's flat, the road condition, I don't know, we'll see. For the moment, I'll try to pedal as fast as possible. Which is not very fast. apparently. Össa via! Össa via! Ah, stupid cow. Right, what the doctor prescribed. Nice steep hills. Not even a hairpin, just straight up. Hi cats. I better turn off the camera because I'm ashamed of how slow I am up this hill. I'll show you the downhill though, guys. Stay tuned. Just made it on top, guys. Hopefully now I can catch some breath and enjoy a steep downhill without having to brake. So apparently the hills are not over. At least this one is not as steep as the other ones. But I'm getting tired and didn't have any food. Hopefully this is the last hill because I'm about to go insane. It's one hill after the other, after the other, after the other. It should be less than 1 kilometer into the park. But I think I already see a big hill. Maybe that's coming up after the entrance of the park. I don't know. I have a bad feeling about this. I think it's too late to enter. Let's see. Let's see what time it is. It's almost 10 to 4. And the sunset's around, I think, 6:45, but we are at the equator. And at the sunset, it's basically dark already. 10 minutes after the sunset, it's already dark. So ideally, you should set up, if the sunset is at 6:45, you should set up camp around 6:30 the latest. Hello. So this is the route that I would like to take in the park. From here, where we are, cross and exit here. And then from here, there is this dirt road that will take me back to the main road and arrive there. Yes. That was my plan, yeah.
So you are riding the whole of Africa for 1 year?
It's about 10 months I started.
Lake Mburo National Park. This is park entrance. Foreign non-residents pay this
40 US dollars. Then this is FR, it means foreign residents, they pay 30 US dollars. Then the East Africa citizens, they pay 20,000. Yeah, just like your colleague told you. And then for biking, yeah, it's right here, cycling, as you can see. Foreign non-residents, they pay this. Foreign residents, they pay this. Then for East African, they pay 30,000. But just like I said, when you're doing, when you're entering in the park with a bicycle like this, they require you to go with a guide who gives you a protection. Unless if it was a motorcycle, engine motorcycle, then there you can go wherever you want to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I wanna make a little video so that other people see the price as well.
It's fine. I can make it better for you. Then. Yeah, this is the page. Like,
yes.
Yeah. But if you go back, you can show them as well.
So this is the fees for the entrance park.
Yeah,
it's $40.
$40 for foreign non-residents.
$40 park entrance, and then cycling it's $30.
$30.
But you're not allowed to cycling alone. As the ranger explained, we need a guide, so we need to pay a guide as well. So it's not gonna be affordable to me. I cannot afford to enter this park, and yeah, it's the whole day I'm chasing entering this beautiful park, but unfortunately I cannot afford it, and sadly I will have to go back, I think, and go another route. It is what it is, so it's nobody's fault. It's just that the price list is not on my budget. Tourist van, that's the people with the money that can enter the park. I'm gonna go back. Bummer, I lost one day trying to get into this park. And it's not possible. I couldn't afford it. I can't justify to spend 40 plus 30 plus hiring a guide, was probably another $40–50 just to cross like 30 kilometers of a park. You know, that's crazy. That's how expensive is Africa if you are a tourist. And yeah, I guess they need these fees to sustain the national parks, but sometimes it's too expensive. It's too expensive. It's like to go to see the mountain gorillas in Rwanda. It's only the permit is $1,500. I think you can do it cheaply, maybe half of the price in Uganda, but it's still crazy expensive. Even if it's just $700 or $800, it's just crazy. You can watch them on National Geographic, I guess. Anyway, now I have to do all these hills back again to the main road, and yeah, I'll try to make some progress to Kampala. There's another bit of dirt I can do tomorrow, and maybe another park, but I'm not sure. I have to check the map, and that one should be free, but I'll see. For today, I'm a bit disappointed.